Today I'm going to share my mistake with you so you guys understand and you do not make the mistake that I did. So leggy seedling is basically caused from when you're seeding indoor. It means literally maybe we don't have a lot of light, maybe there was not a lot of air, or maybe I plant too much stuff in here. So I'm going to tell you right now. Basically what I did, I didn't have much light above it all the time. In the nighttime I would cut off the light. I didn't pay attention too much to the seedling growing. So that was my downfall, not to have enough lights. Now, the other downfall, I did cover it with a plastic to get warmer, but I didn't take off the plastic soon enough. What you guys should do, if you're gonna plant indoor, make sure you leave on the lights so you have enough lights. If you're gonna cover plastic or any kind of cover to keep it warm, to get more heat, do it only for 3-4 days. As soon as you see they're sprouted out, already remove the plastic and let the air come in, so the light and air will help this problem. Make sure, like this one, I'm only doing 2 to 3 for a low spot, so I still have a lot of room. So room in this situation is not a problem. So the best way how to fix this problem, I'm going to show you right now, is to transplant it deeper in another bigger container. A bigger container here, and you guys could see I dug a hole in there already. And we're going to remove any one of these guys. I did one earlier, right here. I'll show you guys. Look, I planted that deep. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So literally we're going to take out, remove these guys right here. So the soil is wet and loose. We're going to come right there and basically plant it deep. We're going to plant it really deep, and then we're going to take some soil and just dump it around. Look at that. See that? So it's planted deep and it's straight. And what I'm going to do, that's fresh soil added there. I'm going to come and get some compost. So what you guys could do, you could put a little compost too. You could mix the soil before if you wanted with compost. And that, just add a little compost on the top end. I have a couple bin of compost, and then you get some water and you water it, and that's it. So that's how you fix the leggy problem, and that's what I'm going to continue doing with all these guys. And eventually I have to transplant them. So you could either do this if they're big enough, guys, and you want to transplant them into the ground. Do the same thing, just dig the hole a little deeper and plant them deeper. So this way it will grow. The roots will grow down, the plant will grow up, you'll have no problem. So alright guys, learn from my mistake and don't let this problem happen to you. If you just seeded indoor, make sure you got your lights, make sure you got enough air coming in, and don't plant too much seed in one container. If you already did the mistake what I did and you have the problem I did, just do what I did there and you're gonna be fine. Transplant into a bigger container and deeper. Plant it deeper, guys. If you have tomato plants and your tomato plants, let's say it's 3-4 inches high and you can plant it deeper, wait till your tomato plant is like about 5 inches high, 6 inches high. Remove the 2 bottom leaf and then plant it deeper. Nothing is gonna wrong, it's gonna grow. Same thing like you're pruning a tomato plant, you're pruning it right there and you're just replanting it deeper, and it's gonna help. Or so let's say you have a bigger plant and it's leaning, just put a stake and tie it up and put some soil in the bottom. Build it up with a soil if you don't want to transplant it or move it. The sun is coming in from the greenhouse, so these guys are going to get a lot of lights from here. So thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden, guys. I do not want you to have the same problem like I did. So this way you guys could go ahead and have strong seedling right away, and you don't have to transplant or do this if you're not, good with transplant and stuff like that. So go ahead and subscribe, guys. 100% free. I got more videos coming up on GreenTGarden.